see this entrance on the way up. Let's see if we can look in here. Oh yeah.
Welcome back, everyone. A watch wonder today decided to stick with a familiar route through the Catalina foothills, hiking within the Pusch Ridge wilderness of the Coronado National Forest. Even in areas we've walked before, there's always something you don't notice the first time, and today turned out to be one of those days. So settle in, enjoy the natural sounds of the desert, and let's see what this trail has to show us. And if you enjoy these calm, real-time hikes, feel free to like the video and hopefully subscribe.
Barbed wire here. Interesting. I didn't see this entrance on the way up. I wonder where that goes. Oh. I'll come out another day for that one. Alright. Cool. There's the Cottonwood Tank. Let's take a look. There should be a place here for the animals. So they keep all the water in this huge tank here, and then they siphon it off into this bath over here. Yep, wildlife water. Got a trail camera here too. Let's see if we can't see inside the tank. It's kind of high walls. There's some of that pipe again that we saw coming down the side of the mountain. Now we get under here. And let's see if we can't look in here. Oh yeah. Whew, there's a lot of water in there. It's got all those little plastic things that sit on the water, keep the heat out of it. It's cool. That goes all the way up there. Cool.
Yeah, this was a short one, but we thank you for hiking with us today. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it. And we'll see you in the next trail.
Hi there.